is gentle, soft, and sleek. Each note a whisper, each chord a sigh, floating like feathers in a boundless sky. The piano hums like a distant stream, echoes of a world caught in a dream. Strings drifting like a warm embrace, painting the air with a tranquil grace. No voices here, just the music's soul, a gentle rhythm making us whole. Cool as the night, soft as the dawn,